The following segment is sponsored by Smith Injury Law and 300hurt.com.
There's so much happening after an auto accident. It can be a chaotic time, but you don't want to lose any evidence or any information that can help you make your claim. Richard Smith is here from Smith Injury Law to talk about it this morning. Hi, Richard.
Good morning, Margaret.
First, you say it is very important to properly document your injuries after a car accident. What do people need to keep in mind about that?
First thing is don't delay your medical treatment. Some people think they can wait, several days, see if it goes away or whatever. The longer you wait to start your treatment, the more likely the insurance company is to say that the injuries that you're suffering did not come from the automobile accident. So it's very important to get to the doctor, get your treatment started right away.
Okay, so don't delay getting treatment. And if you don't have health insurance, you want to consult your personal injury attorney, right?
That's correct. We work with several different doctors that will see patients and not require them to pay up front. They will wait till the case is settled, and they will basically get paid on a lien basis. So they wait until you complete your treatment. They don't bill you for it because it's not your fault that somebody hit you and caused you to be injured. It's the other party's fault. They should be the ones who pay for your treatment.
And I think this is interesting to note. You said some people may not mention every injury to their doctor every visit, but you say that's a mistake, right?
Absolutely. We take pain medication because you've got an injury to your knee, for example. It treats all your pain. So it may cover up your back pain or your neck pain that you suffered in the accident. So if you wait till you start feeling the pain, some months later, when the medication wears off or whatever, you have a hard time proving the injury. So whenever you're experiencing pain in any part of your body, you want to report all of that to your doctor so the doctor realizes that, hey, it's not just this body part, but it's all of these body parts that are being reported as injured.
Right. You don't want the insurance company to have the opportunity to say it did not come from the accident. All this documentation really important because the insurance company just does not work for you.
Absolutely. They do not work for you. They're not going to take your word for it. They're not going to believe you. You have to have documentation in writing from your treating doctors to prove that you suffered these injuries in the automobile accident. And if you don't, they're going to just not consider it.
Right. Well, at Smith Injury Law, your practice areas include personal injury, workers' compensation, car and truck collisions, and Social Security disability claims. Anything you want people to know about your practice and the way you operate before we go?
Just remember, it's very important that if you want to get fully compensated for your injuries, you have to treat for your injuries. You can't go home and do home exercises or whatever because there's no way to document that you ever did the exercises that you were in pain. It's very important to remember you're trying to document your injuries through your medical treatment, and we can help you with that. Like we said earlier, we have doctors standing by that will treat you and not make you pay out of your pocket, especially if you don't have any health insurance.
Yeah, there's a lot you can do, a lot of questions you can answer for people, and they can contact you by calling 300HURT or visiting 300hurt.com. Richard Smith of Smith Injury Law, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you, Margaret.